Hello viewers, in this video we'll see Halsey Premium Plan, and this premium plan is also known as 50/50 plan. It was introduced by F.A. Halsey. He is an American engineer. Under this method, a standard time is fixed for the performance of every job, and the worker is paid according to the number of hours he worked, that is the actual time taken by the worker. Okay, the wages is paid is based on the actual time taken by the worker in order to complete the job. Now we'll see the formula under this plan. Total earnings here is equal to T into R plus bonus, that is 50% of time saved, that is the standard time minus the actual time into R. Okay, here the T into R is the normal wages payable to the worker, and plus this 50% is taken as a bonus paid to the worker. Okay, in this formula the T represents the time taken by the worker, and R is the rate per hour, and S is the standard time. Okay, the bonus is paid according to the time saved. So S minus T we will take, and that into 50% into R, that is the rate per hour. Okay, this is the formula for calculating the earnings of workers under Halsey Premium Plan. And now we'll see one problem. Yes, here we have calculate the earnings of a worker from the following as per Halsey plan. Standard time 12 hours, actual time A has taken 10 hours, for B 8 hours, and for C 6 hours, and the hourly rate rupees 8. Okay, and we have one more question. Hourly rate of wages rupees 10. Standard time for production of a dozen unit of product is 2 hours. Okay, and actual time taken by the worker to produce 25 dozen is 40 hours. And next question. Articles manufactured by Mr. S, a worker in a factory, 300 units. Standard time allowed 10 minutes per unit. Actual time 44 hours. Standard rate rupees 5 per hour. Okay, let's start doing this problem. We have 3 questions here. We'll solve one by one. Okay, first we have to calculate the total earnings of A, B and C. In first problem, we have standard time, we have actual time, and we have rate per hour. Okay, using these 3, we have to find out the earnings of the workers A, B and C. And for worker A, the time taken by him is 10 hours, and the standard time is 12 hours, and rate per hour is 8. Okay, if we substitute in the formula, we'll get earnings of the worker rupees 88. Okay, just we have to substitute this in this formula, that is T into R plus 50% S minus T. Okay, S is nothing but the standard time, T is the time taken, and R is the rate per hour. Okay, if we substitute, we'll get rupees 88. And for worker B, the time taken is 8 hours, and standard time is same for all the 3, so 12 hours, and rate per hour is also same, that is 8. So if we substitute in the formula, we'll get rupees 80. And for worker C, the time taken is 6 hours, and standard time is 12 hours, and the rate per hour is 8. If we substitute, we'll get 72 rupees. And these are the earnings of the worker under Halsey plan. Worker A earnings is 88 rupees, and for worker B 80 rupees, and for worker C 72 rupees. Okay, this is how we have to calculate the earnings of workers under Halsey plan. Okay, next question we'll see. That is hourly rate of wages is rupees 10. Standard time for production of dozen units of product is 2 hours. Actual time taken by the worker to produce 25 dozen is 40 hours. Okay, Here the standard time is given for 1 dozen units. So we have to calculate for 25 dozen units, because the actual time taken by the worker is given for 25 dozen units. So we have to convert this standard time for 25 dozens. Okay. For doing 1 dozen, it requires 2 hours. So for doing 25 dozen, 50 hours is needed. Okay. And using this, we can find out the earnings of the worker. So here the T is 40 hours, it is given in the problem, and R is also given, that is 10 hour, 10 rupees, and standard time we found, that is 50 hours. So if we substitute, we'll get rupees 450 is the earnings of the worker for producing this 25 dozens. Okay. And now we'll see question C. Article manufactured by Mr. S, a worker in a factory, 300 units. Okay, the articles manufactured by S is 300 units, and the standard time allowed for doing 1 unit, that is for per unit, it takes 10 minutes. Actual time is 44 hours and standard rate rupees 5 per hour. Okay, here the standard time was given for doing 1 unit. So we have to calculate it for 300 units. So 10 into 300 will get 3000 minutes, and we have to know in hours. So 3000 divided by 60. So we'll get 50 hours. Okay, 50 hours is the standard time. Okay, if we substitute in the formula, that is T is 44 hours, R is 5 rupees, and S we found, that is 50 hours, and T again 44, and R is 5 rupees. So if we substitute, we'll get 235 rupees. This is the earnings of the worker under Halsey plan. Okay, are you clear that in this problem for doing this 300 units, actual time was given. So we have to convert the standard time for doing this 300 units, because per unit standard time was given. So we have to find for 300 units. So we multiplied this 10 into 300. So we found the standard time, that is 50 hours. Okay. And if we substitute, we'll get 235. I hope now you are clear with this Halsey plan. And I have given you a small problem for you to practice. Thank you for your patient listening.